In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a button disappear after click in Adalo. By the end, you'll have a button that shows up the first time a user sees it and then cleanly hides after they tap it once. Start by opening your browser and heading to Adalo. Log into your account, then open the app you want to modify. In the left sidebar, go to the database. We're going to store a simple flag that remembers whether the user has already clicked the button. Open the Users collection. Click Add Property, choose the True/False type, and name it something clear like Button Clicked. Leave the default value set to False. That default is important. False means the button should be visible for new or first-time users, and it won't hide until they actually tap it. Now return to your screen and select the button you want to disappear. We'll wire up an action so that the moment it's pressed, it updates the user's record. In the button's actions, add Update Logged In User, then set the Button Clicked property to True. If your button also needs to do something else, like navigate to another screen, you can add that after this update action. Keeping the update first ensures the flag is saved before the user leaves the screen. With the button still selected, open the three-dot menu in the left panel to access more options and choose Change Visibility. Set visibility to Sometimes Visible. For the rule, use Logged In User. Button clicked is equal to false. In plain language, this tells Adalo, only show this button while the user's button clicked flag is false. Once they tap it and the flag turns true, the condition is no longer met, so the button hides. Preview your app while logged in and test it. On first load, you'll see the button. Tap it, your actions will run, the property flips to true, and the button disappears. If you revisit the screen, it stays hidden because that setting is stored on the user record. If the button doesn't hide, double-check that you updated Logged In User, not a different record, and confirm the default for button clicked is false. Also make sure you're testing as a logged-in user so the update can be saved. This setup hides the button on a per-user basis across your app. If you ever need the behavior tied to a specific item instead, create the True/False property on that item's collection and update that record accordingly. And that's all you need to make a button disappear after it's clicked in Adalo.